Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL Rugged 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by opening any folder or selecting this folder icon at the bottom next to search bar. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, select the downloads on the left under the scope. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!